Phoenix was launched in the wee hours of August 4th, 2007, beginning its 9-month-long, 681 million kilometer journey to the legendary Red Planet. Now, landing on a planet isn't as easy as simply dropping a spacecraft onto it, although that would be nice. There's actually a lot of steps to the process. On May 25th, 2008, Phoenix entered Mars's atmosphere. It used its heat shield to slow down the high-speed entry of 5,600 meters per second, or around 12,500 miles per hour. It released a supersonic parachute, then detached from its parachute and used its rocket engines to land safely on the planet's surface. Phoenix had two primary goals. One was to study the history of water in the Martian Arctic, and the other was to search for evidence of a habitable zone and assess the biological potential of the ice-soil boundary. And to do that, the spacecraft was packed full of gizmos and gadgets to perform all sorts of experiments and tests. One of these gizmos was a robotic arm with a shovel attached. How futuristic! It was used to dig up samples of the Martian soil for experiments. A scooped sample was carried by the robotic arm and dropped into the Thermal and Evolved Gas Analyzer, or TEGA. But really, it's just a high-tech oven. The soil is dropped onto a screen, where some of it falls through into one of TEGA's tiny ovens. The oven closes and heats what's inside. The gases that come out of the oven are then analyzed. When this particular sample of the soil was analyzed, water vapor was detected.